Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Soiling is one of the easiest losses to underestimate in solar operations because it doesn't show up like a failure. No alarms, no shutdowns, no sudden drop, just a slow, quiet leak that eats into your margin every single day. Nobody wakes up to a notification that says, "Dust just cost you revenue today." Instead, the loss builds gradually, row by row, string by string, until weeks later, someone notices the site is underperforming, and by then, you've already lost valuable generation. This is exactly why soiling cannot be managed by visual inspection alone. Clean-looking modules can still underperform. Dirty-looking modules are not always the highest priority issue. Appearance is not performance. Let's walk through a typical scenario. A site starts drifting below expected output. No inverter trips, no major faults, no obvious availability loss, just a persistent gap between expected and actual production. What happens next in most operations teams? They schedule blanket cleaning. Blanket cleaning is expensive, it's resource-heavy, and often poorly timed. A smarter approach comes down to 3 checks. First, compare expected versus actual production under current weather conditions. Second, identify whether the loss is site-wide or concentrated in specific blocks or strings. Third, combine field imagery, site conditions, and operational data to estimate whether cleaning will pay back. Cleaning without ROI clarity is just maintenance spending, not performance optimization. This is where AI becomes valuable, not as a replacement for your team, but as an accelerator of decision-making. AI highlights where the soiling signature is strongest and which zones will recover the most energy. What used to take hours or days can now be narrowed down in minutes. This is not about replacing site expertise. Your local team understands nearby construction, agricultural dust patterns, seasonal pollen, and terrain effects. AI doesn't replace that knowledge. It simply compresses the time it takes to turn those signals into action. So far, we've covered 2 critical points. Soiling is easy to miss, and blanket cleaning is a blunt, inefficient solution. Now let's focus on what actually protects your margin. Prioritization. In real operations, constraints are always present, so priority matters more than theory. Clean the areas with the highest recovery potential first. Then measure the post-cleaning performance response. That feedback loop transforms cleaning from routine maintenance into a performance strategy. Dust to dollars sounds simple, but the operating principle behind it is serious. If you cannot quantify expected energy recovery, you are not managing soiling. You are reacting to how the site looks, and in large portfolios, that approach quietly destroys ROI. The teams that get this right make faster decisions and avoid unnecessary cleaning cycles. They optimize labor and water usage and build stronger evidence for budget planning. But most importantly, they operate with confidence. Before scheduling your next blanket cleaning cycle, run one site through a soiling recovery model. Quantify the gain, prioritize the action, and turn maintenance into measurable performance. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.